subscribe. First things first.
I'm starting off with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the lightest shade. I'm drawing that thin line underneath my eyebrow to really get that straight line, and blending the rest out so that I have a plain base. I'm using this mini Bon Voyage eyeshadow as a highlighter underneath my eyebrows. And today I'm using my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna first start off with this light shade of blue, and I'm basically covering the crease of my eye. I'm gonna connect the shade of blue in my crease to underneath my eye. I'm really just dragging that out and under. Taking a shade deeper of blue, I'm gonna follow that same exact shape, and I'm also dragging that out and under my eye as well. And with this navy blue shade, I'm gonna take it and line my lid with it. I'm basically deepening up the look at this point. I'm also gonna drag that navy blue underneath my eye. One more shade to finish up the eyes, and it's gonna be this black. And I'm just deepening up the look. I'm basically following the exact same spots where I put that navy blue. I'm using my red cherry lashes, and these are super easy to apply. These are definitely one of my favorites. For mascara, I'm using They're Real by Benefit. This is also one of my favorites. And I'm just lining the bottom lashes. Next, I'm taking my black liner by Lancome, and I'm just gonna line underneath my top lashes. Priming my face with my Santi Magic Perfecting Face Primer. And I'm gonna conceal my face before foundation today using my Rimmel London Contour and Conceal Stick. For foundation today, I am going to use my favorite, which is my True Match L'Oreal Lumi Foundation. Back to my Rimmel London Conceal and Contour Stick, I'm using the contour side this time. And I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my face with. I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer to bronze with. I'm gonna set my face with my Smashbox setting spray, and I'm using Celestial on my Unicorn Glow palette to highlight with. And I'm finishing up the look with an easy gloss. This is one of my favorites. It's called Goldie, and I just think it's really cute. It goes with everything. It's pretty plain, has a little bit of a pink tint.
And this is the final look. Of course, you guys kind of saw it in my intro, I think. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys love this look. If you did, thumbs this video up. Tons of new videos coming soon. I have so many different video ideas in my head that I want to record. It's just the time and editing them and doing all that, but I promise more videos coming soon. So if you like me, don't forget to subscribe and check out my channel, see what I have to offer. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.